Myself, Dr. Rani Srivastav, Associate Professor, BMD College, Diyarpur. Today I am going to teach Part 3 Zoology University students. Students, I will teach today about DNA. Its full name is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a genetic material which is carried from cell to cell and from generation to generation. It does this through its properties of replication and transformation. Its heterocatalytic function is to synthesize RNA by the process of transcription. Autocatalically, it synthesizes DNA itself by replication. Now we will study about structure of DNA. On the basis of X-ray diffraction studies of DNA by Watson, the structure of DNA was proposed by Watson and Crick. DNA has two polynucleotide chains helically wrapped around each other. Thus, it is double-stranded. Each strand consists of pentose phosphate chain on the outside and the bases on inside. Two strands are 20 angstrom apart and held together by hydrogen bonds between the bases. Each coil of the strand has 10 nucleotides. Each nucleotide is 3.4 angstrom long. Now you will ask what is nucleotide. So nucleotide, we will study about nucleotide. Each nucleotide has two pentose deoxyribose, one base and one phosphate molecule. One nucleotide is united with another nucleotide of the same strand through phosphodiester linkages and with nucleotide of another strand through hydrogen bonds between two bases. Now hydrogen bond. What is a hydrogen bond? The hydrogen bond is weak, but then the large numbers of such bonds keep the two strands of DNA united. Each bond is formed by the sharing of a hydrogen atom between the electronegative atoms, between two electronegative atoms. Bases. What are bases? Mostly 4 types of bases are found in DNA: adenine, cytosine, guanine and thymine. Others bases fit into the structure of DNA only in certain pairs. Out of these two, are of one category, purine, and another two are of another category, that is pyrimidine. Purine includes adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine includes cytosine and thymine. At the time of pairing, there is always one purine and one pyrimidine. Since there is base specificity, adenine always pairs with thymine and vice versa, and guanine pairs with cytosine and vice versa. These pairs are held together through 3 hydrogen bonds. In the case of cytosine and guanine, guanine cytosine, and through 2 hydrogen bonds in case of adenine and thymine, or thymine and adenine. Now there is a structure called nucleoside. When a purine or pyrimidine base is condensed with a sugar radical, that is pentose sugar, a nucleoside is formed. Thus, 4 nucleosides are found in DNA. One is adenosine, condensation of sugar with adenine. Another is guanosine, condensation of sugar with guanine. Then cytidine, condensation of sugar with cytosine. And thymidine, this is condensation of sugar with thymine. And now we will see about the chemistry. The chemistry of pentose sugar. It is deoxyribose. The sugar in DNA is deoxyribose. It is also known as 2-deoxyribose. That is, oxygen from second carbon of ribose has been deleted. It is attached to base through one carbon and one phosphate at 3 carbon and the other phosphate at 5 carbon position. Now we will see the structure of bases. First, pyrimidine. Cytosine and thymine are derived from pyrimidine compound. This compound is 6 molecular ring and with 2 nitrogen and 4 carbon atoms. According to structure, cytosine is also known as 2-oxy-6-amino-pyrimidine and thymine as 2,6-dioxy-5-methyl-pyrimidine. In both the cases, attachment with sugar takes place at position 3 with nitrogen. In base pairing, 2, 1 and 6 positions of ring of cytosine and are involved, and 1 and 6 position of ring of thymine are involved. Now the structure of purine. Adenine and guanine are derived from purine compound, derivatives of purine compound. This compound is mentioned having 2 rings. This compound is 9-membered, having 2 rings, one 6-membered and the other one is 3-membered ring. 6-membered ring is pyrimidine compound, to which 3-membered ring with nitrogen at 7, CH at 8 and NH at 9 position is situated. Thus, small ring is attached at 4-5 position of pyrimidine. According to the structure, adenine is also known as 6-amino purine and guanine as 2-amino 6-oxy-purine. And both the cases, attachment of sugar is at position 9 with nitrogen. In base pairing, 1 and 6 position of adenine and 2, 1 and 6 position of guanine is involved. And the nucleotide formation is also a very much essential process, and we will see the nucleotide formation in next class. Thank you very much, students.